watch it. That's when bitch turns.
To the left?
Yeah, I don't want to run over any of those damn cement stakes.
Try pushing it just straight.
I am, but what I want to try to do is miss that cedar and pile that cement up on top of them pallets. It might work, it might not work.
Hey, we're looking pretty good so far.
Yeah, half of it's gone.
Go to sledgehammer. Trying to hold a beer, a camera, and a sledgehammer at the same time. Not easy. Shit, Dave. Fucking power after it up there. Hey, Bill, watch out, there's nails. I don't know. I didn't hear what it said. See, I didn't film because we were too busy to stop and film. Now that
You might sit on that if you want, or just put that over your legs.
I'm not sitting on that. It's my good jacket.